How to password protect Shopify store, a step-by-step guide. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect your Shopify store to keep it private until you're ready to launch your business once everything is ready. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. Log into your store's admin dashboard with your credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the online store section in the left sidebar and click on it to open the settings for your store's theme and appearance. Under the online store menu, you'll see several options. Click on Preferences to access the settings related to your store's privacy and password protection. In the Preferences section, scroll down to the Password Protection section, and you'll see an option that says Enable Password. Check the box next to it to activate the password protection. After enabling the password, you'll be prompted to enter a password that visitors must use to access your store. Choose a strong password that only you and authorized personnel know. Enter it in the password field. You can try to customize the password page, but this is only optional. And after all of this, save your changes and test the password protection if it works or not. So visit your store's URL and you're supposed to be entering a password to have a look inside your store. And that's it. You've successfully password protected your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. How to buy Mega Coin. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to buy Mega Coin. Let's get started. Before buying Mega Coin, you'll need a crypto wallet, so you can use wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. If you don't have one, go to your app store and download the wallet of your choice and follow the setup instructions. Mega Coin is typically purchased using Ethereum or Binance Coin (BNB). To do that, sign into a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin, and once logged in, buy Ethereum or BNB using your local currency. Ensure the funds are available in your wallet before moving to the next step. After purchasing Ethereum or Binance Coin, you need to transfer it to your crypto wallet. Copy your wallet's Ethereum or BNB address and paste it into the withdrawal section for your exchange, then confirm the transaction. Mega Coin is often listed on decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Go to PancakeSwap if using BNB or Uniswap if using Ethereum on your browser or DEX app. On the exchange website, click to connect wallet and select your wallet type. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to the DEX. Once your wallet is connected, search for Mega Coin by entering its contract address. You'll find this on the official Mega Coin website or trusted listing sources. After locating it, enter the amount of Ethereum or BNB you want to swap for Mega Coin. Double check the details of the transaction and then confirm it. Once the transaction is complete, go back to your wallet and check your Mega Coin balance. If you used Uniswap or PancakeSwap, you may need to manually add Mega Coin to your wallet to view it. You will have the funds, but you need to activate it to view them. Thanks for watching.